Hi, I'm Jay Ortega of Upper
Hi, I'm Eli Buendia. Maganda yung sinabi mo.
Wala naman siya. It fits the sound of the band. How the band is portrayed. We dress up for gigs. There's a certain thing about the word. Nothing naman deep.
Nothing deep.
But there are definitely connotations
yes.
na has something to do with
the songs. And the meaning of the songs. Put it this way, and this is a nice way I think of ang apartel, madaming kwarto, di ba?
Yun.
Bawat kwarto parang kanta. Bawat kwarto may sariling istorya.
Kwento yun.
May kanya-kanyang kwento. I think that's the best way to.
So, kumbaga, it's not just a band, it's a family. It's a congregation of...
Yon. Love that word.
Yeah, a congregation congregation!
It's a congregation of musicians that love each other and wanna play.
So it's a very free setting. There are no rules. Anyone can join us if they wished.
Yeah.
But no one can leave. Gusto naming maging banda ng tipong pag narinig mo yung pangalan, uy, siguro may something different or something na masaya na hindi pa natin naririnig or nakikita. That's what we're doing now with this launch. Gusto namin mag-throw ng mga events or parties na hindi pa nangyayari sa history ng music. Ano ba na?
Wala eh. Parang, kasi when the song was being written, may ginajam lang kami. Ang funky lang talaga. So naisip ko lang, hey man, is it him? Pumasok lang. Wala eh. Sana may magandang explanation, malalim, pero wala eh. Lumabas lang siya eh, naisigaw, natandaan, nagamit. Parang gano'n eh.
React lang siya sa sound talaga.
Sa sound eh.
Lumabas lang talaga.
Oo eh.
Hey! Is it him?